Welcome back to Triad of Health Nerve Pain Clinic presentations on the 7 secret causes of nerve pain. So we're going to go a step beyond and ask Yvette a few questions about nerve pain that she's had in the past. Have you ever had nerve pain?
Yes,
Can you-
I
Can you
did.
tell us a little bit about it?
Okay, I was suffering for nerve pain for 8 months. It starts on my hand and was moving through my arm to my back, and then coming back to my lower back. And after 18 months, I used to have nerve pain in my whole body, and I was taking a bunch of medications, analgesic and muscle relaxing medication, and even antidepressant and all kind of drugs to release the pain, and nothing was working.
Okay. So we have a couple questions for Yvette, since this is related to nerve pain. So you took some analgesics and you took some antidepressants and nothing was really working. Did anyone ever do a diet history with you to find out what you're eating and drinking every day for maybe a week, 1 week period?
No.
No? Okay. Did anyone ever do any of these kind of tests that we're doing, like checking the ileocecal valve, the valves of Houston, blood sugar? No? Okay. Did anyone ever have you fill out maybe 14 pages or 15 pages of forms that asks you particularly and specifically what you're eating, what you're drinking, or maybe general and specific, not necessarily on a 7-day period or a 3-day period, but just for like 1 or 2 days or on an average week or anything like that?
No, nobody took that time with me.
Okay. So there's a system survey form. Different companies have these forms. I'm just looking for one of them. This is what the form looks like. It's just a couple pages. Do you need any glasses, or are you okay for?
I'm okay.
Okay, you can look at the back of that form. That's just a quick form anyone can fill out so that we can learn about the systems, the organs and glands that are involved with pain and inflammation, especially nerve pain. So Yvette's first language just happens to be something other than English, but did you ever see something like this or go through a 2-page sheet? No? Okay.
They asked me to spend and pay a very expensive test and laboratory test, and but they never asked me something like this.
Okay. Can you scoot up here a little bit? No, just facing this way. Okay. So these are the 7 secret causes of nerve pain that we've already gone over, and hopefully we're within range. I'm just going to check to make sure the camera's getting this for a second. I think we have enough time to do that. Okay, looks like we're good. So we've gone through the ileocecal valve, right? Valves of Houston, blood sugar, protein utilization, rib torque. Okay, and then she lied down on her back, and we checked the 2 psoas muscles. Lean back a little. Don't hurt yourself. Just okay. To see if they were working, you can sit up again. And those muscles were balanced, but they didn't seem to be locking in place. And then we also checked something called cardiac low back, where she pushed her 2 legs up into my hand, and then I pushed them back down. We could also check to see what happens when she walks around the room. We could learn about a person's health by watching them walk. That's more than 7 things. We can check their traditional Chinese medicine pulse points, which has been done for it's been done for more than 4,000 years. So it's a pretty legitimate method of healthcare. This is such important stuff. I think we're just going to do another video for you. So my name is Dr. Ilya Skolnikov. I'm excited to have been here today and go over this material with you. This is Yvette. Thank you so much.